Hey, sexy wizards! Anastasia here, your main moderator, ready to dazzle you on day 47 of DailyAIWizard's Python for AI series. With Isabella on vacation, Irene's joining us. After loading datasets in day 46, we're diving into Scikit-learn pre-processing for AI. Let's code the future, wizards.
Hello, I'm Irene, thrilled to step in and explore Scikit-learn preprocessing like scaling and encoding. Our demos will spark your AI data prep.
Yo, wizards, Ethan's here, droppin' spicy preprocessing code with a wink for Sophia. Scaling and encoding's gonna pop. Let's crank this AI party.
Sophia here, Ethan, and I'm blushing. I'm pumped to lead our demos and make preprocessing sizzle. Let's transform AI data, wizards.
Victoria here, darlings. I'll sprinkle flirty tips to keep your preprocessing hot. Ready to prep AI magic, wizards?
Wizards preprocessing in Scikit-learn prepares data for AI models. Scaling, encoding, and feature selection ensure models perform accurately. Our demos will show how to transform datasets like Iris and California housing.
Oh, Irene, pre-processing's stealing my heart. It makes AI data so sexy and model-ready. Get ready to transform data wizards and prep for day 48 splitting. Wizards, today we're seducing you with Scikit-learn pre-processing. You'll master scaling, encoding, feature selection, and visualization, with spicy demos to make you swoon. Our complex challenge will ignite your AI passion.
Sophia's leading demos with fiery energy. Ethan's dropping hilarious code explanations, and Victoria's adding spicy tips. You'll master pre-processing for AI and be ready for day 48's splitting. Shine on, wizards. Wizards, meet your day 47 dream team. Anastasia's our main moderator, guiding with flair, and I'm stepping in for Isabella with warmth. Ethan's our code comedian, flirting with Sophia while explaining pre-processing.
Oh, Irene, you're a gem. Sophia's leading demos with passion, Ethan's stealing my heart with code, and Victoria's tossing flirty tips. We're here to make you pre-processing superstars. Wizards. Pre-processing is your AI data crush, darling. It scales features, encodes labels, and selects the best data for models. We'll show its seductive powers in our demos.
Anastasia, you make preprocessing sound so hot. How does it power AI, love?
Oh, Victoria, you tease. Pre-processing ensures AI models get clean, scaled data for accurate predictions. Try it in our demos, wizards, and feel the spark.
Yo, wizards, standard scalar, .fit_transform, x, scales data like a hot dance for Sophia, standardizing AI features. It's a scaling party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're scaling my heart, Ethan. Wizards, scaling ensures AI model accuracy. Try it in our demo. It's like balancing your data.
Wizards, label encoder, .fit_transform, y, encodes labels like picking a hot playlist for Sophia, prepping AI targets. It's an encoding bash.
You're encoding my heart, Ethan. Wizards, encoding preps AI targets. Try it in our demo. It's like labeling your data.
Wizards, select k-best, f_regression, k=5, picks top features like choosing the best moves for Sophia, optimizing AI models. It's a selection party.
You're selecting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, feature selection boosts AI. Try it in our demo. It's like curating your data.
Wizards, preprocessing with scalar.fit_transform and modeling with model.fit is like a hot dance for Sophia, building AI models. It's a modeling party.
You're modeling my heart, Ethan. Wizards, preprocessing and modeling power AI. Try it in our demo.
Wizards, PLT, scatter, x_PCA, 0, x_PCA, 1, is a visual serenade for Sophia, showing preprocessed AI data. It's a plot party.
You're plotting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, visualization confirms pre-processing. Try PCA in our demo. Wizards, it's demo time, and I'm thrilled to lead 2 complex pre-processing demos with Scikit-learn. We'll pre-process Iris and California housing, scale, encode, select features, model, and visualize. Get your Python setup ready, and let's make AI shine.
Oh, Sophia, you're making my heart race. Ensure Python, VS Code, Scikit-learn, Pandas, and Matplotlib are set up wizards, and create Iris Ta preprocessing demo.py and housing preprocessing demo.py. Ethan and Victoria will spice it up. Let's prep, cuties.
Wizards, let's prep our demos to make them seamless. Open VS Code, create iris_preprocessing_demo.py and housing_preprocessing_demo.py, and save them in a Python demo folder. Run pip install Scikit-learn pandas matplotlib numpy to ensure libraries are ready.
Sophia, you make setup sound so dreamy. How do wizards install Scikit-learn, love?
You're too sweet, Victoria. Run pip install Scikit-learn pandas matplotlib numpy in a terminal, and activate your virtual environment with source myint/bin/activate or myint/scripts/activate. Let's make these demos sparkle. Wizards, our first demo in iris_preprocessing_demo.py preprocesses Iris with Scikit-learn. We'll scale features, encode labels, train a classifier, and visualize with PCA. Let's run this and see AI magic.
Oh, Sophia, you're making this demo hot. Standard scaler, label encoder, and PCA visualization prep Iris with Swagger. Total AI party. Wizards, standard scaler. .fit_transform. X, scales Iris like a love letter to Sophia, standardizing AI features. It's a scaling party.
You're scaling my heart, Ethan. Wizards, scaling preps Iris for AI, try it in our demo.
Wizards, label encoder. .fit_transform. Y, encodes Iris labels like picking a hot playlist for Sophia, prepping AI targets. It's an encoding bash.
You're encoding my heart, Ethan. Wizards, encoding preps Iris targets, try it in our demo.
Wizards, random forest classifier. .fit, x_train, y_train, trains like a dance for Sophia, classifying preprocessed Iris. It's a modeling party.
You're modeling my heart, Ethan. Wizards, modeling preprocessed Iris builds AI, try it in our demo.
Wizards, PLT, scatter, x_PCA, 0, x_PCA, 1, is a visual serenade for Sophia, showing preprocessed Iris. It's a plot party.
You're plotting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, PCA visualization confirms preprocessing, try it in our demo. Wizards, our second demo in housing_preprocessing_demo.py preprocesses California housing. We'll scale features, select top features, train a regression model, and visualize. Let's run this and see AI magic.
Sophia, you're making this demo sizzle. Standard scaler, select K-best, and scatter plots prep housing with Swagger, total AI party. Wizards, standard scaler. .fit_transform. X, scales housing like a hot move for Sophia, standardizing AI features. It's a scaling bash.
You're scaling my heart, Ethan. Wizards, scaling preps housing for AI, try it in our demo.
Wizards, select K-best, F_regression. K=5, picks top features like choosing the best moves for Sophia, optimizing AI models. It's a selection party.
You're selecting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, feature selection boosts housing models, try it in our demo.
Wizards, linear regression. .fit, x_train, y_train, trains like a dance for Sophia, predicting housing prices. It's a modeling bash.
You're modeling my heart, Ethan. Wizards, modeling preprocessed housing builds AI, try it in our demo.
Wizards, PLT, Scatter, y_test, y_pred, is a visual serenade for Sophia, showing pre-processed housing predictions. It's a plot party.
You're plotting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, visualization confirms pre-processing. Try it in our demo. Wizards, let's run iris_preprocessing_demo.py and housing_preprocessing_demo.py. In VS Code's terminal, type Python 3 iris_preprocessing_demo.py or housing_preprocessing_demo.py and hit enter. You'll see pre-processed data, models, and visuals, showcasing your AI mastery.
Sophia, you make it sound so tempting. Outputs show scaled data and plots, pure AI seduction. Run them and share, Wizards.
Wizards, pandas from day 44 with preprocessing is a hot combo for Sophia. PD. Data frame, iris. Data, preps AI data, coding fireworks.
You're prepping my heart, Ethan. Wizards, pandas powers pre-processing. Try it in our challenge.
Wizards, day 39's NumPy with preprocessing is a triple threat for Sophia. NP. Array, X, powers AI math, coding fireworks.
You're powering my heart, Ethan. Wizards, NumPy supports pre-processing. Try it in our challenge.
Wizards, PLT. Scatter, y_test, y_pred, is a visual serenade for Sophia, showing preprocessed AI results. It's a plot party.
You're plotting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, Matplotlib visualizes pre-processing. Try it in our demo.
Wizards, Seaburn from day 42 with preprocessing is a sexy duet for Sophia. SNS. Scatterplot shows AI results, coding fireworks.
You're raising my visuals, Ethan. Wizards, Seaborn enhances pre-processing visuals. Try it in our challenge.
Wizards, optimize preprocessing with clean data and consistent scaling. Use standard scaler carefully and verify with df.describe. Clean preprocessing powers AI models.
Optimized pre-processing so sexy, Irene. Clear practices make AI irresistible. Practice for day 48 splitting wizards. Wizards, pre-processing's critical in AI pipelines, darling. Scale and encode data for accurate models. Your day 47 skills make AI irresistible.
Preprocessing powers AI pipelines, Wizards. Your skills are ready for real projects. Prep for day 48's splitting.
Wizards, preprocessing with day 46's datasets is a hot combo for Sophia. Standard scaler, preps iris and housing, coding fireworks.
You're prepping my heart, Ethan. Wizards, preprocessing datasets powers AI. Try it in our challenge.
Wizards, here's your challenge. Create AI preprocessing.py to load California housing, preprocess with scaling and feature selection, train a linear regression model, evaluate with MSE-R2, and visualize with Matplotlib scatter. Run with Python 3 AI preprocessing.py and share on Instagram, darlings.
This is thrilling! Wizards, try standard scaler, select kbest, and plt.scatter. Show us your results at @DailyAIWizard. It's an AI preprocessing spell. Prep for day 48.
Wizards, you've stolen my heart with your preprocessing skills, your iris preprocessing demo PI, and housing preprocessing demo PI prove your AI data superstars. Keep flirting with code for day 48 splitting.
I'm so proud, Wizards. You've mastered preprocessing for AI, fueling models like magic. Share your AI preprocessing.py on @DailyAIWizard. Subscribe for day 48 and join our Discord or X. Code the future, Wizards.
You nailed preprocessing, Wizards. Your data's hot, Sophia. Get hyped for day 48 splitting. Let's keep this flirty AI party rockin'.
Wizards, you're phenomenal. These demos were a blast, Ethan, and your pre-processing skills are fire. Share your AI_preprocessing.py and subscribe for day 48. Code the future, wizards.
You've swept me off my feet, wizards. Your pre-processing skills are pure AI seduction. Let's flirt with splitting in day 48.